Know this, that every soul is free to choose his life and what he'll be. For this eternal truth is given, that God will force no man to hell. He'll call, persuade, direct aright, and bless with wisdom, love, and light. In nameless ways be good and kind, but never force the human mind. Freedom and reason make us men. Take these away, what are we then? Mere animals, and just as well the beasts may think of heaven or hell. May we no more our powers abuse, but ways of truth and goodness choose. Our God is pleased when we improve his grace and seek his perfect love.